Hello friends, we are back again, and you can see we have our potentiometer, and we are adding a push button switch beside it. Potentiometer is 10k, and the push button switch is added to switch between different animation. The power bank is our power supply that supplied direct to this LED strip. The Arduino cannot power our LED directly, otherwise to fry it out. The push button switch from different animations. There are about 3 animations we have here.